Ladies and gentlemen, we, the Pakistani Americans, are at a very critical juncture in the history of our community in the United States of America. We must understand the need and the importance of becoming a part of the democratic process. We are all too familiar with the current political climate. The emergence of widespread xenophobia and anti-immigrant politics. It is said that if you are not at the table, you are the part of the menu. We must find our rightful place at the table through the democratic process. And don't believe for a second that your single vote does not count. It is said that many drops make a shower. Let's be a part of the shower that brings peace, prosperity, and happiness to us all. Please vote on June 5th, 2018, that is Tuesday, June 5th, 2018, for Ali Sajjad Taj for the California State Senate from the 32nd District of California, Asif Mahmood for California Insurance Commissioner, and for Umar Siddiqui for U.S. Congress from the 48th District of California.